Hey, welcome back to Postal Barbecue. I'm Jabin Postal, and today at the grill, we're gonna be cooking up a whole lemon pepper chicken using the Jumbo Joe grill. It's gonna be so good. Just like always, I'm gonna put all the show notes for you in the description box below, so make sure to click down there to see everything that you need for this recipe. Also, if you like what we're doing on this channel, consider subscribing for more great barbecue recipes, tutorials, and reviews. And other than that, let's get into the cook. All right, so to begin this recipe, we're gonna need a whole chicken. This is a 3.5, 4-pound chicken, and we're gonna be opening it up because the Weber Jumbo Joe is a little bit smaller than the traditional Kettle, and so we need to shrink it down a little bit. And this is also gonna help with promoting some even cooking, making it more tender, more tasty, more delicious all across the board. And so to do that, what we're gonna do is we're gonna take a knife and we're gonna actually split apart the breast sections as well as the leg sections. And so the first thing that we're going to do is just slice down the breastbone here. We're just going to open that up. Slice on the side here. Move down the leg portion. And what you'll see is right here, there's a little bit of a bone. You just kind of pop that joint, and then the leg comes off. Get back to our breast here. Get through. There's another little bone here. Pop that back, and then straight through. You have another breast. Once that breast portion off, just take your knife and slice through this other joint here. We got there. We'll leave that on. And there we go. In only a couple minutes, we have our chicken pieced apart, and so we can save this and make some great chicken stock. So for our seasonings today, we're gonna be using a lemon pepper rub. And before we do that, I'm gonna place on some lemon infused olive oil all over both sides of this chicken. And this is just gonna add a little bit of extra lemon flavor to this chicken. And right away, I can already smell that lemon that is infused into that olive oil. It smells so good. The next thing that we need to do is season it with a little bit of salt. We're gonna apply about a half a teaspoon of kosher salt for every pound of meat here. So with this chicken season, let's put on our lemon pepper rub. And in here, I've mixed up 2.5 tablespoons of dried lemon zest, 2 tablespoons of black pepper, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, half a teaspoon of onion powder, and about a 1/4 teaspoon of white sugar. And so go ahead and place that all over the outside of your chicken pieces here. You can go right into there as well. I'm gonna flip it over. We're gonna do the same thing to the other side here. So we're gonna add some of our salt. Then again, we're gonna add our lemon pepper rub to the outside of this chicken here. And because there is not really much sugar in here, you can go ahead and place as little or as much of this rub on as you like, because it's not really gonna be problematic with burning the sugars, because there's only that 1/4 tablespoon in this rub. All right, so there we go. Our chicken is all rubbed. It looks and smells amazing already. And so let's go ahead and get the Jumbo Joe ready for cooking around 325 degrees. To set up the grill, I placed about 20-25 unlit briquettes into the slow and sear basket, and then placed 20 fully lit briquettes on top of that. I then added a little bit of apple wood to smoke with, and then I closed the lid and let it come up to about 325 degrees. All right, so with our Jumbo Joe up to temperature, let's go ahead and get our chicken onto the grill here. Place that one here. Get this guy over on this other side. And so with our chicken on the grill, let's close the lid and begin cooking. Our chicken has now been cooking for just over an hour, and the chicken breast has reached an internal temperature of 165. So let's open up the grill and take a look. Wow, look at that. Wow, guys, look at this chicken. It's got great color. It smells awesome. Let's go ahead and just probe the other breasts here and see what the temperature is. 166, 180, which is perfect for the thighs. 184. These are all done. Let's get them off the grill and ready for the taste test. So this chicken is all done. I let it rest for a few minutes, and so let's cut it up and give it a taste. Let's start with the breast here. Ooh, it's already dripping juices here. Wow, look at all those juices. Oh. Okay, let's grab this piece and let's give this one a taste here. Mmm. Wow, guys, this chicken is insane. That lime-infused olive oil that we rubbed on it first is just coming through so powerfully. Then you have the rub with the lemon and the pepper coming in nicely as well. Guys, I'm telling you, this is literally one of the best chickens I've had in a long, long time. Okay, let's taste test this guy here. As many of you know, this is my favorite part of the chicken. I just love it so much. So let's give it a taste. Mmm. Guys, I actually can't even begin to tell you how good this chicken is. It's perfect. The only thing let's try is I got this white sauce here, and let's dip that in there and taste that. Goodness. Okay, if you can make this, you need to try it because this is absolutely phenomenal. So that's how you make that delicious lemon pepper chicken using the Jumbo Joe grill. Hey, if you want to see more barbecue videos just like this one, make sure to hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell, and we'll see you next time.